Hello MacMates, this is Carlos Galvan. I'm the photographer that covered your high school reunion. There was some confusion about which website who should go to, and do you have to pay for anything else. So I decided to create this video tutorial to show you how this all works. So this is the email that you should have received. First thing I have here is an apology for taking so long to get the images out to you, and what I'm doing to try and smooth things over with you is I'm giving you a free 8x10, or I'm going to retouch your portrait at no additional charge, and you'll see what that looks like here shortly. So this is the link that you would go to, and a quick look at it. It's right here, and we're going to come back to that in a little bit. Further down the email here, you can see that you've got 4 options here as far as each set of images that you've got ordered, either 8x10, 2 5x7, 4 4x5s, or 8 wallets. So that's just a little reminder. Now down here we've got the names of the folks who are receiving or have something that's prepaid there, so you'll be able to remember what you've got. Let's see, scroll down a little bit. These folks actually hadn't ordered anything, but what you can do is you can go actually to this website right here, pictage.com, 714 blah blah blah. Anyways, you click on that and you'll get to this page right here, and you can order your images, or all the same images, order those through here. However, from here you will have to pay. That's a separate deal, so if you haven't paid for anything, then you come here and pay for it, and it'll get shipped directly to you. But for the folks that have already paid for something, you're going to be at this website. This link right here also takes you to this website as well for ordering additional images. Okay, let's see if we're through with the email here. I think that was it. Okay, so now let's explain this site. These links across here for visiting my main website, visit some recent events that I photographed. This is to send me an email, opening up your default email client. But as I said before, we're going to be giving you a free custom retouching or a free 8x10. So the way you select that is after you have viewed some of your images, and by the way, all these will have red check marks on it when you first come to the page. So to view any image, what you'll do is just click on that particular image, and it will fill the available window up to the size of that file. If that file image is bigger than what's available here, you'll have this 4-headed arrow. You can click on it one time, and that will maximize that particular file image, and that way you can pan around and get a better look at the happy faces here. Click on it one more time, and that goes back to its position in the thumbnail. Same thing with any of these others. Now, something that you can do is say we've got a couple of images that are very similar. Well, we click on one, click on the other one, and we can view both of them side by side. That way you can see where the prettier smile is here. Click it again, it goes back to its position in the thumbnail. Now, what I have up here is 4 images that are actually from the same file, but I've done something. I've retouched this one here. I've retouched this one here. That's a retouch example. That's why the label's there. There's a retouch example as well. This one's just zoomed in. Let's go ahead and click on that, and click on the unretouched one as well. So now you can see here what the difference is, how much more for the retouched file. So that's the reason that's there, and you can see what that does. Alright, so the other thing that we need to show you is how to go about exactly ordering your images. So you've got those image sets that are paid for already, and you may have already paid for an 8x10 group as well. So if you've already paid for an 8x10 group, then you can just type right in here 8x10 group, and then I'm going to also send you an additional free 8x10 if that's where you want to use your free 8x10 at. If not, you can use it on one of the other images. So if we do it like this, now I'll be sending you 2 8x10s, and you've taken care of your freebie there. In this case, we're going to just get that 8x10 group as it is, and we want to use that freebie somewhere else. Okay, let's say that that we want to go ahead and order this image as a couple of 5x7s. Let's see, 2 5x7, and let's say you want 8 wallets, and that takes care of the paid sets of images. Let's say you want to get a free 8x10 of that. Well, you can get that just by clicking on this, and then I send you a free 8x10. Let's say though you want an 8x10, but you also want the custom retouching. Well, instead of using our freebie right there, we'll go ahead and type in 8x10 right here, and that way you'll get the 5x7s, the wallets, 8x10, and you'll get that retouched. The additional prints, any additional prints that you order through here is going to be paid out at the, or actually I'll charge you the same price that I was charging at the event, no additional cost. So I think that was something like $20 per unit, and for the group I think it was $15. So that'll be the same price, no shipping, no tax or anything like that, just flat charges. Okay, so we've got those images ordered right there, and this does save your notes. As long as you don't leave the page and come back to it, you should still have the same information right in there, so in case you want to review anything. Alright, let's say you also want to take advantage of this 7 images for $10. So what you can do is to let me know which ones you want, you can just click the X, turning it into a green check mark right there. Let's say you want that one too. Let's say, well, that one's the same. Let's say you want this right here with the better smile. Let's say you want this one here, and that makes 1, 2, 3, 4 images. Let's look for, there's 5. I left that one checked. Let's go maybe a couple of candidates here. There's 6 for the cake, and maybe this one down here, that's number 7. And so now all you have to do is fill in your name and your email address, and then right here, do give me your mailing address. If I don't have your mailing address, I won't know where to send these, so type that in right here please for me. Click on send, and you should get this message right here, which means I have received your email, and we'll be working on that. If you want to call me, that number is 281-401-9331. That's a new number that will forward to wherever I'm at, be it at the office or on the cell or whatever. That's the best number to catch me on if you have any questions. Thank you very much.